Hey girl, hey. So my name is Brittney Neely. I am your favorite Atlanta realtor. I specialize in relocation and new construction here in the Metro Atlanta area. Today we'll be talking about 5 reasons why you need to be buying instead of renting. And make sure you stay till the end because I do have a bonus for you. All right, guys, we're gonna start with number 5, privacy and control. I loved being in the apartment because they had pools and all those things. However, loud neighbors, long walks for my dog. I like painting, as you can see. This is my home. I like having that type of control to customize and renovate. And number 4 is long-term stability. Can you imagine customizing your entire space and now your landlord's deciding that they wanna go ahead and sell and put it on the market? You will be devastated. This is exactly why you need to own. And number 3 is tax deductions. Womp, womp, womp. I know, girl, but we're gonna have to get into it. It's something like going on a date and whether you're paying for it or your date's paying for it. So in this particular case, make your house pay for your taxes. Those deductions are very important. Okay, guys, you ready for it? Okay, number 2, starting your portfolio. Let's go. We all want to build a legacy and create generational wealth. Now, in this particular case, me personally, I want to make sure that my future family has some assets to fall back on. And that's exactly why I'm taking the time right now to not only invest in my current, but also my future. And now we're down to number 1. Drum roll, please. Equity. Do you know what that means? Equity, real simple. I know you've been hearing about it. It's a buzzword. In this particular case, it's real simple. Just the market value of the property and how much you actually owe on the mortgage. That's it. People pull that equity and go shop for another property. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Now, I do want to go ahead and introduce income. That's the real bonus to owning your own property. I will introduce Airbnb at some point, but trust and believe, I don't even pay my own mortgage. And you don't have to either. So to all my boss chicks, I'm gonna get into Airbnb a little bit later, but that's exactly why I want you to get into home ownership. Okay, girl, I hope this video brought you some clarity. In the future, I plan on having videos where renting might be a better choice than buying. It's not necessarily my choice, but hey, I wanna be able to service all of my clients. In the meantime, if you've considered buying property and building on it, you might wanna watch this video first.